In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your mobile touchscreen by using a secret code. Sometimes your phone screen starts to feel a little off. Maybe it doesn't respond when you tap, or certain areas seem less sensitive. Before you rush to a repair shop, there's a simple built-in test you can do on many Android phones using a hidden diagnostic menu. That's exactly what we're going to walk through together. First, unlock your phone and open the phone or dialer app, just like you would if you were going to make a call. This is where you normally enter a phone number. Instead of calling someone, you're going to type in a special code that opens a testing menu. The exact code can vary between brands and models, but a very common one on Android is *#0*#. On some devices, it may be *##*#26663. *#**. Enter the code slowly and carefully, and you should see a hidden service or test menu pop up automatically. If nothing appears, your particular phone might use a different code, or your carrier may have disabled this feature. Once the test menu opens, look for an option related to the touchscreen. Depending on your phone, this might be labeled Touchscreen, or TSP Grid Test. Go ahead and tap that option to start the touch test. You'll usually see a blank screen with a pattern, such as a grid or a series of boxes and lines. The idea is simple. You need to drag your finger across the screen and touch every part of that pattern. Slowly move your finger or multiple fingers if the test allows it, making sure you pass through each line or box. Take your time here. Don't rush, because the goal is to check if there are any dead zones where the screen does not register your touch. If everything is working correctly, the grid or boxes will change color or get marked as you pass over them, and you'll be able to cover the entire pattern from edge to edge. When you've completed it, the test will usually close automatically or show a confirmation that the touchscreen has passed. If you notice parts of the screen that never respond, even when you press or swipe firmly, that's a sign there may be a hardware issue or damage under the glass. In that case, restart your phone and run the test one more time to confirm. If the problem remains, you may need professional repair or a screen replacement. When you're done, simply use the back button or the home gesture to exit the test menu and return to your normal home screen. That's all there is to it. You've just used a secret code to quickly and accurately test the health of your mobile touchscreen.